So you want to merge some objects in Blender, okay? Well, first thing you should know is that they don't say merge, they say join, okay? So we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna jump over into front mode. I'm gonna keep the default cube because default cube gets no love, y'all, no love. Okay, so I have one object here. I'm gonna add a sphere onto this. I'm gonna move it up on the Z-axis, and then I'm gonna scale it down. Okay, so the cube is one object. See? The sphere is another object. I want to join these two, so I'm going to select one object. I'm going to shift select another object, and now you see how they're two different colors right now. Okay, one's like this yellow orange, and another one is a bit of a orange, darker orange. Okay, I'm gonna hit Control J, shabam. Okay, now they're one object, and you can see this outline hole here. And now over here, I just got the sphere. Where before I had the sphere in the cube, now I just got the sphere, one object. Okay, and you're probably gonna want to rename that because it's no longer a sphere. It's a sphere cube, or a sphube. Again, that's Control J, Control J, Control J. Okay, Control J all day. Okay, y'all, get back to it. Go keep making what you're making, and I'll see you in a bit.